Hello class, my name is Matthew Medvey and this is my 7.4 narrative presentation assignment, How to Develop Your Corporate Social Responsibility, CSR, Culture. For this presentation, we'll be discussing the key elements to develop a CSR culture in Eagle's aerospace industry, the benefits CSR culture could bring to the internal and external social environment, and what types of actions or operations are necessary to develop and support a CSR culture. The key elements to develop a CSR culture in Eagle's aerospace industry, according to FrontStream, includes aligning CSR strategy with business goals, involving all company stakeholders, making the CSR program easy, taking a broad approach to giving back, and focusing on measurable results. Okay, so step 1, aligning your CSR strategy with your business goals. The first step of aligning CSR strategy with Eagle's aerospace's business goals is essential for enhancing synergy and attaining support from senior management. The CSR strategy that benefits the company, the environment, and society is mutually attractive to all parties. So FrontStream summarizes that considering how goals can be achieved over the long term enhances program possibilities that can be utilized into a company's future. So step 2, involving all company stakeholders, is essential for an effective CSR program. Eagle Aerospace's company stakeholders include employees, of course, customers, the community, management, and shareholders. FrontStream details that without an appropriate level of involvement by all stakeholders, a CSR program is more likely to fail. Employees have to be able to accept CSR initiatives. It is essential for customers to view the CSR program in a positive light. Involving the community can enhance public image. Involving management is important because they are often the face of the company who must speak to the program's image, and involving shareholders is essential to reinforce views that their investment is being used for good and positive things. So step 3, making the CSR program easy. Proper planning is the backbone to most successful programs. Making participation in the program easier influences more involvement. FrontStream summarized that it should be easy for your employees to participate, and administering the program should be easy. Utilizing a centralized location or link for employees to access volunteer opportunities, company goals, and suggestions should be utilized. And additionally, setting up simple systems that provide regular reporting to stakeholders is beneficial as well. The status of how it's doing. So step 4, taking a broad approach to giving back. Utilizing multiple methods to give back to internal and external social environments provides admirable results. FrontStream summarizes that great CSR programs usually use multiple methods displayed in this slide. So sustainable business practices, going green with highlights to responsible material usage, recycling, energy efficiency, and pollution mitigation. Corporate donations, it's useful because donating company products or services serve good because it can also minimize waste. And employee and corporate donations, corporate matches to employee donations, it's enticing and influences further philanthropy. So focus on measurable results. Committing to clear CSR goals that are measurable provides the ability to react to current status and see what is and what isn't working to get there. FrontStream recommends to steer clear from vague goals. Vague goals won't allow the ability for organizations to discreetly prove that goals are reached and can cause confusion and frustration among stakeholders. Going back to the beginning of the presentation's talking points in regard to what types of actions or operations are necessary to develop and support a CSR culture, all of the key elements and steps discussed previously require complementary actions or operations necessary to develop and support CSR culture. Step 1 is aligning your CSR strategy with your business goals. It requires the Eagle Aerospace organization to identify a specific goal to align its business to. An example of a CSR program that Eagle Aerospace can commit to in support of social and environmental concerns that will assist in planning a more responsible role in the world includes committing to utilizing a certain percentage of recycled metals and materials and manufacturing and increasing manufacturing energy efficiencies. Step 2's elements of involving all company stakeholders requires all stakeholders to be spun up to the program and complementing goals to attain acknowledgement and support. Step 3's element of making the CSR program easy requires the establishment of a centralized location to allow current status of the program to interested parties and enhance participation. Step 4 of taking a broad approach to giving back influences the program's effectiveness at giving back and reaching CSR program goals. And finally, step 5, focus on measurable results, requires the establishment of a tracking system to highlight how the program is executing, which is important, of course, right? Right. So some benefits of CSR culture. Benefits could bring to the internal and external social environment are plentiful. In regard to the example mentioned previously of Eagle Aerospace's CSR program, committing to a certain percentage of recycled metals and materials in manufacturing, increasing energy efficiencies. By doing so, the company image can be enhanced, right? So Phillips details that CSR programs such as these are a cost-effective way for an organization to improve its competitive position through advertising the good deeds of the organization. Phillips references a 2002 survey that indicates 84% of Americans would likely switch to a brand associated with a good cause if price and quality were similar. Like individuals, other organizations and companies like to be associated with companies who do good deeds. Right? So additionally, protecting the environment leads to more productive use of resources, which aligns with Eagle Aerospace's CSR program. Phillips also highlights that boosting social conditions like education leads to improved locations for company operations and increased potential creation of customers and skilled workers. And of course, investors are drawn to socially responsible companies. Individuals who perform charitable volunteer work are recognized and receive personal benefits for their efforts as well. So, some internal benefits, recognition, company image in short, and then external benefits, improving social conditions, more productive utilization of resources, and then ease of recruitment. So really helps everybody, and it's important to continue to do so. All right. These are the references used for this presentation, and thanks everyone for listening, and I look forward to your response. Thank you.